Welcome to the SKI Education and Medical Network podcast, your go-to source for navigating the world of international education and healthcare careers. I'm your host, Myra, and I'm thrilled to bring you insights, updates, and solutions to help you achieve your academic and professional dreams. Here at SKI Education and Medical Network, we're led by our administrative manager, Richard White, whose expertise drives our mission to connect students like you with top-tier opportunities worldwide. Today, we're tackling the visa restrictions in the USA and Canada and exploring what might just be your perfect alternative. So grab a seat and let's dive in.
Thanks, Myra, for inviting hello and welcome to Global Student Spotlight, the podcast for international students navigating the world of higher education. Today, we're diving into a hot topic, the current visa restrictions in the USA and Canada, and what alternatives might just be your next best option for studying abroad. Let's get started. If you're an international student dreaming of studying in the USA or Canada, you've probably noticed some turbulence lately. In the USA, visa policies have tightened significantly. The F1 student visa process is more competitive, with stricter scrutiny on applications, longer processing times, and fewer approvals. Some students are even facing rejections due to concerns over intent to immigrate, despite their academic goals. Add to that the high cost of tuition, often $40,000 or more per year, and it's a tough road. Meanwhile, up north in Canada, things aren't much smoother. In 2024, the Canadian government slashed study permits by 35%, with an additional 10% cut planned for 2025. That's a huge drop from the over 1 million international students Canada welcomed last year. Why? Pressure on housing, healthcare, and public services has led to a policy shift, leaving universities scrambling and students deferred or denied. Processing delays are piling up, and even top-tier schools are feeling the burnt. So, what's an ambitious student to do? At this point, I see a Caribbean as an alternative Caribbean, a region that's quietly becoming a game-changer for international education. With sunny beaches, a welcoming vibe, and most importantly, accessible education options, the Caribbean offers a compelling alternative. Universities and medical schools here are designed with global students in mind, especially those aiming for careers in medicine or other high-demand fields. Plus, visa processes are often simpler, and many programs are taught in English, no language barrier to worry about. Let's talk about some standout options. For general university education, the University of the West Indies, with campuses in Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, and Barbados, is a regional powerhouse. It's internationally recognized, affordable. Think $10,000 to $15,000 per year for international students, and offers degrees in everything from business to engineering. Then there's the University of the Bahamas, with tuition around $5,000 to $10,000 annually, perfect for a smaller, community-focused experience. Let us put some spotlight on Caribbean medical schools and why is it feasible. Host. Now, if medicine's your calling, the Caribbean shines even brighter. Schools like St. George's University in Grenada are world-renowned, with a 95% residency match rate for graduates in the USA and Canada. Tuition's around $35,000 per term, but you're training for a globally recognized MD. Ross University School of Medicine in Barbados and the American University of the Caribbean in St. Martin are also top picks, both with strong accreditation and USMLE eligibility, key for practicing in North America. For a budget-friendly option, check out Caribbean Medical University in Curaçao, where tuition starts at just $5,900 per semester. Here's the kicker. These schools are accredited by bodies recognized by the World Federation for Medical Education, meaning your degree can get you licensed in the USA, Canada, and beyond. No more visa limbo. You can focus on your studies and career. So why is the Caribbean a feasible choice right now? First, Admissions are less competitive than in the USA or Canada, with rolling intakes. Some schools accept students 3 times a year. Second, costs are often lower, even for premium medical programs, and living expenses are reasonable. Third, the region's proximity to North America means clinical rotations are often in the USA, giving you a foot in the door for residency. And let's not forget the lifestyle: warm weather, vibrant culture, and a tight-knit international student community. It's education with a side of paradise. So finally, it's all I have to say that the visa chaos in the USA and Canada doesn't have to derail your dreams. The Caribbean offers a practical, high-quality alternative that's worth exploring. Check out schools like UWI, St. George's, or Ross, and see if they align with your goals. Visit their websites, connect with our admissions teams and me, and take control of your future.
That's a wrap for this episode of the Sky Education and Medical Network podcast. I'm Myra, your host, and I hope you're feeling inspired to explore the Caribbean as a game-changing option for your education journey. A big thanks to our administrative manager, Richard White, and the SKI team for empowering students with knowledge and opportunities every day. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend, visit our website at skyeducationnetwork.com for more resources, and stay tuned for our next episode. Until then, keep chasing your goals with SKI, because your future starts here.